In this video, I'll show you how to calculate mortgage payments. This is question number 1. Tina and Corey purchase a house for a selling price of $155,000. They plan to make a down payment of 25% and arrange a mortgage for the rest. Part A asks, how much is their down payment? Now to do this, we're going to take the cost of the house of $155,000 and we're going to multiply it by 0.25. 0.25 was derived from 25% being divided by 100, and that gives you 0.25. By multiplying the total cost by 0.25, we will end up with 155 times 0.25, and that gives us $38,750. So they're putting towards the house $38,750. The initial amount of money. In part B, they ask, how much will they borrow for the mortgage? To answer this question, we'll take $155,000 and subtract it from $38,750. Using our calculator, $155,000 minus the number that we got earlier is equal to $116,250. So this is the amount that they will be borrowing from the bank. Question C asks, what would a greater down payment end up saving money for the life of the mortgage? Well, keep in mind that if more is paid at the beginning, that will leave less to pay the bank. In question D, they ask, Tina and Corey have to pay a number of other costs when they purchase their house. Calculate the total of these costs on a house selling for $155,000. So these are percentages of different fees. We'll take $155,000 and multiply it by this percentage. Now, of course, we have to convert this percent into a decimal. So we divide by 100, and this gives us 0.0075. Dividing this by 100 gives us 0.0025. This one gives us 0.0275, and this gives us 0.01. So I'm going to multiply each one of these by 155,000 and then add them all up. So 155,000 times 0.0075 will give us 1,162.50. For this one, $387, $387.50. For this one, $4,262, $4,262.50. And lastly, for this one, we end up with $1,550 even. So if we add all of these up, we'll end up with all the extra costs that come with buying a house that is $155,000. So there you have it. That is how to calculate mortgage payments. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support our channel by subscribing or by liking this video. If you have any further questions, visit our website at studyforce.com. We're an online service for students seeking free homework help. See you soon.